use this rice! Get out of here and shove it in there! For sake!
3 contestants face a challenge made in hell. Watch as they attempt to make sushi with all, and I mean all, ingredients at their disposal. Only one will succeed in wowing the angry, whiny, mad, strange chef, award-winning Michelin-starred chef, Chris. It's time for them to face the normal room temperature in Satan's kitchen.
Right! Today we're making sushi from China. Shh! So I want to see you guys. I want to be professional, I want to be accurate, and professional.
You've already said that.
Shh! Okay. Go!
The contestants begin by familiarizing themselves with the ingredients and the utensils. But Chef Chris doesn't seem happy.
What are you doing? Put that down!
We're making sushi.
Do I need these naan breads?
Yes, we need the naan breads. It's from China. What do you expect?
Okay, fine.
So,
Stick this. If you're going to be useless, stick that up your more useful than tasting that way. Yes, give me
I
that.
feel like I know what I'm doing. You just need to like hold it up, don't you? It's just as easy as that, really.
There you are, Mitchell.
I feel like I've came into this competition with at least a chance because I've worked in Subway making sandwiches.
Oi, woman! What are you doing?
I'm looking for some rice.
You're looking for some rice?
Yeah.
For some rice? Do you want to use it on your face for makeup? Get over there now!
It's not just
my
Chef
rice?
Chris
No, I
who is
haven't got any
falling
rice.
out.
you trying to sabotage me?
No.
Trying to sabotage me?
No.
You got f***ing rice there.
Well, this is my rice. You've got to make your own rice.
Well, I've not been given any rice, so are you taking
Oi!
like...
Mind your language!
Who the do you think she is stealing my rice? It's my rice. I made it. She can't come over and make it from me, you know what I mean?
David thinks he knows everything, but I've seen what he's made and I don't get it.
Arigato.
You've got the fish.
Got fish.
Come here, bring it here. Bring it here.
There you go, fine.
Quite soft. It's raw!
It's...
I know that! I'm just pointing out a fact.
Okay.
Go!
And that chef, he... don't start it, right? You know, like, I'm angry for some reason with him.
Onegaishimasu.
Oi! Have you washed your hands?
Oh, sorry, chef.
No! For sake!
I've got a drink to numb the pain. The pain of town over there. Just going whatever it is. Oh, use your naan bread. Wash your hands, you off.
Tensions are rising.
Take this.
Is James's
Take
use of
wasabi.
wasabi
Try a
correct?
bit. Yeah. On your face. On your face. On your face. Don't actually do it!
As James swaps rice for naan bread, other contestants are left wondering if this was the correct decision at all.
James is putting naan bread in his sushi. Like, what the hell?
Right, you! Come back here! Come back here! Off! Right, leave you guys to it! I'm going for a
Chef Chris is very violent and he should be in a prison or a mental hospital for the thing he did with that cucumber.
Kawaii.
Yeah, but it's my f***ing right. You gave it to me.
Is it?
So
Get out. Get out. Out! Take your beard and off!
As Strid and David's disagreements upset Chef Chris, James tests out his meat.
I'm thinking, if I decorate it with cucumber, they won't realise how it is. And then, I'll be in then. Maybe I can use this pomegranate. It's inventive. Chef might like that. Or he might tell me to off.
I'm not sure if it matters if the veg goes on first or if the fish goes on first, but I don't really see why it matters.
It's not how you cut it.
What do you mean?
You
It's
know,
a knife.
Yeah, it's a knife, but you don't hold it that way. You've got to hold it a different way.
What, like
It's a
that?
special, no, it's a special sushi knife. So you hold it, and then yeah, cut like that. So that's how you're going to do it. See, it's magic.
Whatever.
Yeah, just don't.
See, that's your fault. You see, that is your fault.
Yeah, I don't think
Did
you
you-
just put that
Just get on with your own work.
peel off.
It's David's turn to try
It's
to
good.
impress
Yeah, no,
Chef
it's-
Chris.
Good idea. You're gonna eat it. It's gonna be tasty.
It's extra fibre, chef.
Yes.
Makes you regular.
Yes. It's gonna be extra tasty. My kids are gonna love it. My wife's gonna love it. It's gonna be nice.
Chef said I was good, but I came up with an ingenious idea of putting chopsticks in it. Not only does it keep the structural integrity, but it also gives a bit of texture, a bit of crunch, and a bit of fibre. So it keeps you regular. Baby sushi.
See, this is what you call authentic Russian sushi. Brilliant! Carry on!
I don't want to say anything, but James isn't Japanese. He seems to think he is. Afterwards, if he doesn't win, he can always take up sumo wrestling.
Well, that James, what the he's doing, he's turned into a
Jigaimo.
Good straight. You're doing really well. Fantastic. That's
I
very
feel
nice.
like I'm struggling with this. Is this right?
Yes,
What
perfect.
do I-
Yes, keep rolling. You're doing an excellent job. It's going to be good. It's going to be fantastic. Yes.
David's sushi is topped with a garnish of whole pomegranate. Will Chef Chris like the risk?
Yes.
It's presentation.
Yeah, good. Yeah, I like it. Very good part. Too much bit of chopstick. Too much bit of chopstick. It's good. I like it. Yes. 10 out of 10. Superb. Well done. Very good.
Strid has presented a full plate of traditional sushi. She looks to be the favourite to win.
Raw. It's disgusting. It's unpresented well. It's untidy. It's unclean. It's raw. Get out! No, this way. Get out that way. Actually, no. That is the exit. That is the exit. Get out!
James presents his Indian-inspired dish, accompanied by a rolling mat and kitchen utensil.
It's really good. It's nice. Tasty. The authentic. You know, it's really nice. Authentic Romanian foods. Very good. You've won. You've won. Well done. Well done. So we've had a really good time. We've made some lovely sushi, and it's been really good, and we've done really well. And I can't do this. I don't know. I don't want to do all this shouting. It's not who I am. I mean, I should be outside playing with the kids and, you know, treating my wife like the woman I love. But no, I'm here shouting at people for doing an alright job at making food. It's not about what I do. It's not me, it's not who I am. I can't do this anymore. I can't even cook food. I mean, I say I'm showing people, I can't even do anything. I show how to make toast. I mean, I don't know how I'm going to cope. I mean, it's just not fair, and it's just, you know, get me down. Thank you. Off! It's just not fair, you know, I don't know how I'm going to cope. I mean, it's just not who I am. I'm not a shouter, I'm a lover. Oh, God.
Two, one, go.